Shout out to DRACOSLIDES, man. They hit me up in the email. They offered to send me a care package for an honest review. And they say they have the most comfiest slides in the game. So let's go ahead and check them out. As you can see, we got the package right here. I don't want to cut anything important, so I need to be careful with this. Let's get into this box first. It's a jewelry box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have a Draco pen, all black. Get a close up on that. It's pretty dope, man. Looks like the quality is there, so I give them that. It's a good start. Pretty sure these are the shoes. You save that for last. So what are these? Okay, we got the socks. Nice sock bag. We have long black socks right here, which I assume to be crew socks. Okay, pretty decent quality. They got the embroidered DC. I'm pretty sure that gold stands for Draco. Can't beat black crew socks, so you know. See the white short socks. I guess they're like ankle socks. Okay, they're like the quarter joints. You know, the dad socks, but they cool. All white. You got the Draco in black. Okay, so far so good. Then we get a velour sweatsuit. So of course, you know, I put this on to see if the sizing is correct, just in case you want to shop for yourself. So I had to get the all black velour. This is dope. And you have the DC right there embroidered. So it's black on black with black on it. So I did get an XL. The way the jumpsuits or like the sweatsuits run, it's just one size for both. So you can't mix and match, I don't believe, unless you buy them separately, I would assume. But to get the sweatsuit, you know, together, I had to get an XL on both. So we'll see how it fits. And these are the pants. The main thing I liked about these is the open hem. I don't like the jogger bottom, personally, but if you like it, you know what I'm saying, do what you do. And we get that Draco embroidery right there as well. No drawstring on these, so I'm definitely anxious to see how they fit. Cause you don't want to get them too big because, you know, that you can't correct them. So let's get into the main attraction, man, the slides. And it looks like there's more socks in here, so that's dope. Appreciate y'all. I love socks, so can't have too many socks. So we get the velour Draco bag. You see the Draco on the front. You also get their IG. Definitely check them out if you like anything that you've seen so far in this video. I'll put the link in the bio and everything. Okay, so we get the inverse. Okay, we get another, we get a little thank you letter. Let me go ahead and read that after this. So then we get the white crew sock with the black Draco embroidery. Dope. And then we get the black quarter. You know, same thing. Get the white Draco. Pretty dope, man. Thank you. Snap a pic wearing your Draco drip and tag us on the gram. And we'll hook you up with a 20% off discount code. So shout out to Draco, man. They said they've been watching my channel. They like the content. And they figured their products would resonate with my audience. So let's see. Here we go. The DRACOSLIDES. And you already know, hit y'all with the on foot with the Draco socks. Probably put the whole fit on at one time so y'all can see. But right off rip, even the insole is velour, so that's pretty interesting. And these are adjustable too, so you know if you do get a bigger size, you can tighten it up if need be. And these run in like a size range, so I got a 13, 14, because in most slides I get a 13. So instead of doing 11, 12, of course I did the 13, 14. So hopefully these fit. They say they run true to size, so we'll see. But yeah, I mean, it's so off rip, man. They look pretty comfortable. We'll see once I throw these joints on. So as far as the length, the 13-14 was perfect for me. So I would definitely go up a size or stick to your true size and whatever slides you get. And the width, I definitely have to, you know, adjust the width. As you can see, my foot is narrow, so I definitely got to play around with the width. But the length, you know, 13-14 is perfect for me. And they are comfortable. With the socks, no boost. The socks are definitely great quality. I mean, you can tell the difference when you actually put them on. So I'll leave it up to you guys to make a purchase and, you know, go from there. But I think the socks and slides are comfortable, especially the combination. Definitely be good for like an airplane fit or something like that. But let me go ahead and throw on the velour suit so y'all can see how that looks. So this is the fit. The XL fits perfect. You know, the pants work. They're not too baggy, not too tight. Same thing with the jacket. You know, it's long enough. I have long arms, so all my tall guys out there, it'll be good. The pants, not too short either. So, I mean, all in all, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. You know, the quality, look, feel, definitely something you can just throw on, be comfortable. You don't have to do too much. Like I said, perfect airplane fit. Like, this is like prototypical airport fit, man. Especially with the slides, you can't go wrong. But you can wear this casually as well. I would throw the velour suit on with some kicks. You want to go out somewhere, you good money. You know, the hood, pretty decent sized hood. Not the biggest fan of this cone up top. So, you know what I'm saying? I'll probably leave that down. But other than that, I'm satisfied. You know, shout out to Draco. Once again, appreciate you for reaching out. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you like anything that you saw so far, man, check them out, man. Tell them E-Dot sent you. Back to the review. So there you have it, man. That's my honest review of DRACOSLIDES. Like I said, if you like anything that you seen in this video or you want to check them out yourself, the link for the website as well as the IG will be in the description. But yeah, shout out to Draco again, man, for reaching out to me. That means something I'm doing is working, you know what I'm saying, for a company to reach out to me to review their product. So that's gonna do it for this one. Appreciate y'all for watching, and none of this would be possible without you.